how do you request IP? So let's say that I'm gonna take down that specific interface. So we don't have anything right now. So I'm just gonna use the DH client, which is the DHCP. You can see in the right side we got disconnected. So we just do DH client, the interface, and if we do ifconfig, you can see that we got the IP. Okay, so that's very important. By doing this, you don't need to configure anything else. The next step that you need to do is just you need to ping something outside to see if you're getting connection. You can see that you're getting 65 bytes response, so we are fine. Another important point here is that sometimes I highly recommend you to also ping IPs, because sometimes you will have internet access but not DNS resolution. So if you, for example, do a ping with an IP address, you can see that you get a response. But let's say that I'm going to access the DNS configuration, which is right here, and I'm just going to comment out the name server like this. If I ping Yahoo, you can see it says unknown host. But if I ping the IP, you can see that I'm still getting response. That's a pretty common mistake, that when we are trying to ping domain names and we see that we don't have response, we think that we don't have connection, we don't have any internet access, and that's not true. As you can see, we have communication, but we don't have DNS resolution. So as you saw, I just need to go to resolve, and in this case I enable the default one, which actually was added by the DHCP server when I executed the DH client. But a quick trick also here is that sometimes our name service doesn't work, so you can use Google ones if you don't mind going through Google traffic. It's up to you, which is 8888. You just save it, and you can see that if we do a ping, we get again access. Okay, I'm just gonna revert it back to the one that I had, and that's it. So we have configuration. If for some reason when you do ifconfig you don't get any interface, that's a troubleshooting, is out of scope, but I recommend you to go to Kali forums. They have multiple support there. It's not out of scope to fix those issues. We are assuming everything's up and running.